Okay, I'm gonna make this video. We got a 2006 Honda Pilot. Came in for brake job. We were rolling it out, and all of a sudden I had a misfire on number 6, and we ended up doing spark plugs, and I still had a little bit of misfire, so we pulled off the throttle body. We cleaned it. This intake part was broke right here. It was cracked right here, so we put a new one of these on, and I thought maybe that since it was cracked, we were having some idle air control problems. Long story short, all of a sudden it would not start. Crank, 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 no start. Spray it with starting fluid, fires up, runs normal, but it will only run off starting fluid. I tried to do a crank relearn, but the only way you can do a crank relearn is if the engine's running. Engine didn't run. Everything said that I had power. I could hear the injectors clicking. I could hear everything. Everything was good. So long story short, I ended up looking up for the PGM-FI, which is your ignition, pretty much your ignition. You have 2 relays under here on this thing. This, I'm gonna kind of show you because this is hard to find. This sits up underneath here on the dash. You can't see it, it sits like that. You gotta pull it down. There are 2 blue relays. These are the old relays. There's 2 blue relays here. One's for the fuel pump and one's for the ignition system. I swapped them, it still didn't start. I ended up replacing both of these blue relays, and the engine fired right up. So if you are having issues, crank no start, look here, swap the relays. You're welcome.